Unleash the true power of WhatsApp for your business by connecting to the Aisensy API and automating your messaging workflow. First, head over to the Aisensy website and navigate to the developer documentation. This is your central hub for all things API, including authentication details, endpoints, and request formats. Next, you'll need to grab your API key. This is like your secret password, allowing you to securely access the Aisensy API. You can find it in your Aisensy account settings, usually under the API or integration section. Keep this key safe and never share it publicly. Now, let's craft your first API request. Most requests will involve sending data in JSON format. This data tells the API what you want to do, like sending a message, creating a contact, or retrieving account information. Pay close attention to the required parameters for each API endpoint. For example, when sending a message, you'll need to specify the recipient's phone number and the message content. Be sure to follow the correct formatting as outlined in the documentation. To test your API requests, use a tool like Postman or Insomnia. These tools allow you to easily send HTTP requests and inspect the responses from the Aisensy API. This is invaluable for debugging and ensuring your requests are correctly formatted. Analyze the API responses to understand if your request was successful. A successful response will typically return a status code of 200. Error responses will provide details about what went wrong, allowing you to troubleshoot any issues. Congratulations, you're now ready to build powerful integrations, automate your WhatsApp messaging, and supercharge your customer engagement with the Aisensy API. Happy coding!